I am a big fan of 12-volt tools. They're lightweight, they're compact. In a lot of instances, they can be very powerful. This is SKIl's PWRCORE 12 brushless 12-volt 1/4-inch HEX IMPACT driver. A 1 inch shorter than the previous generation tool. It's got compact power, big power, and a compact design for working overhead or in hand to reach areas. It's got a one-handed collet. It's got control mode and a halo light, a digital brushless motor, and a 3-speed selection. I feel like I should have used this SKIl, what is this thing called, like box opener? To open this tool. I have it, so it's like, look, it cut that boxage right in half. Tool comes with belt clips. As we receive this, our battery isn't necessarily tapped off. We're at half charge. One of the great things about SKIl's PWRCORE platform is they provide you with these jump chargers. Now, let's just say your battery was full dead. It just was dead. You couldn't drive any more screws. You couldn't cut another piece of wood. You can pop your battery onto this jump charger and it would charge as normal, right? But if it was dead and you needed to get just a little bit more done, all you gotta do to jump this battery is push this button. You can see now it's flashing green, or as some people might call it, greenage. And as it's flashing greenage, that means it's jump charging, which relates to or equates to a 5-minute charge, 5 minutes, getting this battery to 25% charged. In addition to having jump chargers and seem to be very compact and powerful tools, SKIl provides USB Type A ports. And what that means is that if you were a homeowner and DIYer, you're buying into a platform, right? And you're going to use your tools around the house, here and there, to do jobs. The problem is that you have these tools and batteries sitting on a shelf somewhere. What if you had one more way to put your battery-powered platform to work, like charging smartphones and USB chargeable devices? Well, here's a way. It's an extra added feature and bonus with the platform, and I like it. It means you're getting more for your money. No reason to go out and buy separate battery packs and power packs to charge smart devices. You can use this, dual purposes. What we're going to do is we're going to put this on top speed or speed trace, and we're going to see if we can drive this 1/4 by 6 inch lag fastener down through these 2x4s and into this treated 6x6. So you can see, plenty powerful. Let's try something it's more tailored to. We got some drywall fasteners here. We're just gonna keep it on top speed. Oh man, that felt good. Plenty of power. Woo! Just for argument's sake, let's set it down to a more controllable speed, like speed 1. Definitely more control, definitely for finer style of work. Maybe installing cabinetry, hardware, things of that nature. Plenty of power in speed 2, no problem at all. Let's go back up to speed 3. These are 1 5/8 drywall fasteners. And here's the thing, the tool is really good, plenty of power, but I think it also has something to do with the finament of the fastener to the driver bit. If you wanted to find out about these driver bits, you can go to this video right here. Go and check that out. Really nice. Let's try something a little bigger. We got 3-inch drywall screws. This fastener, when you drive it into 3 inches of wood. Let's say you're using it in a framing capacity, which I don't recommend. These are very brittle, very hard fasteners. Takes a ton of torque. It puts a lot of stress on the tool, but more importantly, on the driver bits. Let's see how it does. Powerful, powerful. I know what you're thinking. Hey Vince, if I can't use 3-inch drywall screws to frame any type of framing, what should I use? You should use a wood screw, like this one here. Very controllable. I mean, even when you reach out, we towed that fastener in here. We're countersunk, plenty of power here. Something else that I love about this tool in particular, that halo light. Where else are you finding such a highly bright light on your tools? Like this could double as a flashlight. Remember, all that light output's happening from just 12 volts. This is great. Listen, here's the deal. If you're like me, you do the installs, you do the rollouts, you do the remodels, but you also go back to service the client. You don't necessarily need something 18, 20, 24 volt, 30, 50, 70, 80 volts. You don't need that. You need just enough power to get the screws undone. Replace whatever it is you're replacing and put the little screws back in. Why go with a big honking tool when you got something that's easier to manipulate, move around? Now, there are some tightening functions here, it seems. Ow! We're just gonna cradle it. We got 20 gauge metal here, 2 pieces. Let's see how it does. We're still on top speed. No problem driving these fasteners. Nice. Let's see what this little CM mode is. Control mode? Let's see what it controls. So it's definitely not for self-tappers. So we've transitioned back to wood fasteners. So control mode seems to give you more power when you need it. Well, if you're seeing this or not, you can see my finger's fully depressed. Let me switch hands. Even though I'm a righty, I'll do this for the very cool gang. I'll go lefty, right? My finger's fully depressed, but it's only giving me the power that I need to drive the fastener and giving it to me when I need it, not when I don't need it. I like this light. It's so bright. And if you like that light, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime. You'll get 7 years of good luck. Don't be stingy. No good reason not to. Let me know down in the comment section below. What do you think of 12-volt tools? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Do you never use them? Do you use them all the time? I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. Watch this next video.